Hello everyone. I am here with a strategy that I have been working on rapidly and achieving great results in a very short period of time. The more options you have, the more important it is for you to take the most important step to find the one that suits you best and win. My job is to share my years of experience with you. Thus, it is enough for me to help you increase your capital like myself. Remember, I only have one request from you, which is to subscribe to the channel. Press the like button and share the videos with your surroundings. I would be happy if you could help me reach a wider audience. Let's start by setting the indicators we will use and bringing them up one by one on the screen. Now let's move on to our trading rules. For a long position, first, the blue line in the StochRSI indicator should cross the orange line in an upward direction. This is called a golden cross and gives an idea that the price movement may turn upwards. According to our second rule, the MACD histogram indicator should be green either at the same time as the price or before. A green histogram bar indicates that the price is under buying pressure. And according to our final rule, the price must close above the EMA line. Only long positions should be taken above the EMA line, and short positions should be taken below the line. The first target, as always, will be a 1-to-1 reward ratio. The stop loss level should be placed below a clear swing, even if it is far away. And since we have reached the 1-to-1 level, we will take some profits and move the stop loss level to the entry point of the trade. Now let's take a look at an example of a short position. This time, the blue line of StochRSI should cross the orange line in a downward direction. The MACD histogram indicator should be red either at the same time as the price or before. And the price must definitely close below the EMA line. The stop loss level should be above the net swing. Our first target is the 1-to-1 reward level. If we reach this level, we will definitely move the stop loss level to the entry point of the trade. I believe you have easily understood the rules of the trading strategy. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section, and I will be happy to assist you. Wait please. Did you forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button? Let's do that and continue. Let's look at another example of a long position. This trade took quite a long time, and even approached our target of 1-to-2 ratio 3 times, but it closed by touching the entry point after the profit we took at the first level. Nevertheless, we are still in profit. Let's look at a different example of a short position. Unfortunately, this trade closed with a loss. Please note that there can never be a 100% success rate in any financial investment model. You can eliminate this loss by sticking to the strategy and applying it with discipline. Now let's look at a few more examples and reinforce the strategy. Please watch carefully. I think that's enough examples. See you in the next video. Goodbye.